One question that often comes up at this point is about the reality transurfing books. Some of you already own one or more of them. Some have read parts of the materials years ago. Some may have tried to read the books and found them challenging. And others may be encountering this work for the very first time. All of that is completely okay. This experience does not require you read any of the books. The books are referenced throughout the Lifeline integration, but they are not something you need to keep up with, study, or follow chapter by chapter. We're not doing a book study. Reality transurfing is not something you understand your way into. It's something you recognize through lived experience. To support different learning styles, you'll find several options available in the downloadable resources area. I'll be sharing audio versions of selected sections from different reality transurfing books, as well as PDF excerpts that relate to each week's focus. This includes material from the original reality transurfing books, the 78-day guidance, and other supporting transurfing resources. This allows you to listen, read, or reference the material in whatever way feels most natural to you. You do not need to own the books in order to fully participate in this experience. The ideas in transurfing tend to land differently depending upon timing, state, and life experience. Sometimes a single sentence can resonate more deeply than the entire chapter. Sometimes something that didn't make sense years ago suddenly feels obvious. So rather than trying to read or understand everything up front, I encourage you to let the material meet you where you are. There's no advantage here in getting ahead. What matters most is how awareness begins to show up in daily life as we move through the integration process together. Use the books if they support you. Use the audio or PDFs if that feels easier. Or set it all aside when that feels right. Either way, nothing essential is missing.